My mother believes that being of a certain class entitles you to die whenever you damn well please. Don't we wish? A knight and a princess returning to the foreign shores of their homeland.
It was pissing down the last time I was in Sydney.
How could they not disappoint?
Dorothy!
Oh, Basil. Oh. Mother?
Why are you so late? What have you done to your hair?
Darling, what a homecoming.
How's your love life?
Oh, brilliant, darling. How's yours?
So Mother to summons us here. I wanted to be outdoors where one has a better chance of being struck by a thunderbolt. Now we're being morbid.
I wish to leave the bulk of my estate to the German dancer.
Come on, Dorothy. Can't you see our mother's completely gaga?
You think I don't know why you've flown all across the earth?
I thought I might spend the night in my room.
Are you going through a difficult time again, Dorothy?
I have to leave this place.
I think we can see that one through to the end, can't we, Dottie?
Fly away, pigeon. Go visit your father in country. And please, don't come back before the storm is over.
Mummy's two great disappointments.
Look, Dottie, pies.
2468, bog in, don't wait.
Oh, that's very good, Mummy's part.
I can't really afford to piss my mother off at the moment.
Why would she be pissed off? She likes me.
Others.
Oh, lovely. Thank you so much.
Bless you, darling, for your generosity.
Don't spend it all at once.